Facebook Messenger list. What is that? So you can think of this as an email list. So if you have an email list, you will be sending email broadcast campaigns or email marketing campaigns to your email list time to time. So likewise, if you build a customer list on the Messenger platform through your Facebook page, then you can actually message those people up to 6 months daily. So this is a huge opportunity over here, because instead of sending emails, if you send the broadcast or marketing campaigns through Messenger, then the open rates and the click rates of these particular campaigns will be very high, because the peoples are actually on their Messenger all day long. So when you send an email, there will be a very less open rates, but if you send this kind of Messenger broadcast, then the open rates will be high, and a lot of people will be actually checking your messages and checking your websites or whatever the promotions you actually running. So in this video, I'm going to show how to create a Messenger list and also send a broadcast message as well. So let's get started over here. So here we are in the tool sections. So in the tool section, we have this Messenger list. It says build list and send daily broadcast to increase engagement and sales. It can be time sensitive marketing campaigns, drip campaigns, or promotions, or whatever you like. So let's get started over here of creating a Messenger list for your business. So here let's add a Messenger list. So let me name this one as promotions, or let's name this as VIP list. Simple as that, VIP list. So here we have this Messenger list as VIP list, and here we have no contacts over here, and you can actually check the analytics as well. So we already actually created a Messenger list over here. So now we want to actually create a flow getting people into this particular list. So go to the flows over here. Let me create the flow name as VIP Messenger list. So I'm actually creating a flow named as VIP Messenger list. So here we are. So here by default you will see the omnichannel window over here. If so, in this case, this particular Messenger list actually works on the Facebook Messenger only. So we can simply choose Messenger over here, and let's send a message to the customer saying, so let's send this particular message to the customer. Would you like to sign up for the VIP list and receive amazing discounts throughout the year? And if they say yes please, something like that, we can actually send another message for them and choose Messenger over here, because we actually sending these messages through the Messenger channel. And here you have an option called as notification request. Choose that one, and here you can choose the Messenger list you have created over here. So as you remember, we already created this particular Messenger list called as VIP list. You can simply choose this one over here, and if you want, you can actually generate or upload an image as well. So here we have some images over here. Let me copy the image address. Where is that? Copy image address over here. Done. What we can do is we can simply use insert link and add that image, and it says VIP customer offers, something like that. And we can send this confirmation message through Messenger as well. So this is the confirmation message we are sending. Thanks, you have been added to the Messenger VIP list. Look out for some amazing deals very soon. Something like that. Very simple as that. So now we actually created this sort of flow over here. So you can actually trigger this flow by asking customers to send a specific kind of keywords. For example, let me open the automated responses over here, and since this is about VIP Messenger list, let me add a keyword over here. So if someone actually message your Facebook page as VIP, and we want to send them this Messenger list flow, VIP Messenger list, and click save. So now we actually created a messenger. If someone says VIP, then we will send this sort of VIP messenger list and try to get their opt-in to sign up for the VIP messenger list. And once they actually get the sign up for the messenger list, we can actually send them promotional messages up to 6 months on a daily basis, which is great. So now let me share my phone screen over here and test this one. And let me send the keyword VIP, which we have set up over here. And it should actually ask, would you like to sign up for the VIP list and receive amazing discount throughout the year? Let me choose a yes please. So as soon as I press yes please, it actually provides the customer to opt in for this VIP list. It says VIP customer offers, want to get additional message from us, you can opt out anytime. So, and in the top it says Chatting Media would like to send you updates which may be promotional as well. So this is actually a notification from Facebook. So this is actually allowed from Meta and Facebook as well too, because we are only sending messages to the people actually opt in to this particular list. So as soon as they press this button get updates, they will be added to your VIP messenger list. And as you see here, you have chosen to receive messages on the topic VIP customer offers. Thanks, you have been added to the messenger VIP list. Look out for some amazing deals very soon. So if I go to this particular messenger list over here, where is that? Here we go. And if I refresh this particular page, we should see one contact added over here. As you see here you can actually find the analytics related to your VIP messenger list, and we actually have 000 and only one person has actually opted in over here. So now let's see how to send messages to this particular people actually opted in for this particular messenger VIP list. So here you can use this particular broadcast option over here. So I don't need this particular window over here, so broadcast. So let's create a new broadcast over here. So here we want to send the broadcast through messenger, and here you can choose the messenger list option over here. Click continue, and here we have this VIP list already popping out. So if you want to send, and here you actually need to create a flow as well. So let's quickly create the flow over here. So let me go back to the flow section over here and create the VIP messenger list flow. VIP messenger list promo, something like that. So here we can actually come up with some sort of messages over here. So you can choose messenger or you can go with omnichannel because both works. So let me say, so this is a single message. Here you can actually create multiple messages, conditions, and you can do whatever you want, but I'm going to use this particular single block. I want to simply send this particular message to the customers who actually opted in for this VIP messenger list. So here let me go back to the broadcast over here. Let me refresh this particular page over here and choose messenger list and VIP list, and here you can choose VIP messenger list promo. So when you send this particular message, and as you see here we have only one receiver over here, and this particular message will be sent to the customer. And let me show that when to send this message. One, and if you want you can actually provide any kind of filters as well, but that's not required because we are only going to broadcast to the customers only opted in for this VIP list over here through messenger. So let me click send over here, receiver 1, and click continue. That should actually send us a message over here, and it says receivers 1 this sent. And here if I open messenger, and as you see here we actually receive this. Here is your welcome discount coupon, use code VIP now for a 10% off. And this is the broadcast message we just received through this VIP messenger list. So likewise you can actually send a series of drip campaigns to this particular list as well, and you can actually do whatever the marketing campaigns you want to send to your VIP customer list over there. So if you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.